Okay, guys, good morning. Hey, it's Jeremy here with the Guillette Group, and today we are previewing Miromar Lakes. This is a community that people ask us all the time. What's it like in there? Take a ride with us today and take a look. It's just a preview, but I think you'll like what you see. So we just passed a really grand fountain and we're entering the guardhouse here, and you can see there are few communities that have this kind of presence when you enter. Right now it's December. The weather is amazing. Take a look. This is super grand. So the gates open as you're entering. 720-acre lake built around beach, boating, paddleboarding, kayaking, you name it. Wakeboarding, it's available to you. If you're looking for this kind of view, give us a call. We can help. Okay guys, again, it's just a preview. This is some hyperlapse footage. I think you'll like it. What you're gonna see is there is water everywhere in this community. I gotta tell you though, there are downfalls to Miromar Lakes. The tree canopies are so full in some areas. Like here, you lose your satellite radio. So it may not be for everyone. I'm just kidding. If you're interested and we can help, for sure, give us a call. So many great parts of this community. Again, this was just a preview. This was Jeremy with the Guillette Group. Thanks for checking out Miromar Lakes with us. Have a great day, everybody.
Ooh.